Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead Showers, the leader in solid metal shower heads and accessories. In this video, we're looking at our flagship product, the solid metal handheld shower head set. Designed and tested in San Diego, we believe it's one of the most durable and high-performing shower heads on the market. We'll start by opening the box, showing you the components inside, and explaining the features of each part. Here's our solid metal handheld shower head set in chrome. You have your easy to follow instructions, flexible metal shower hose, Teflon tape, solid brass shower holder bracket, and the handheld shower head made from stainless steel. So starting with the shower hose, which is a 72-inch long stainless steel hose. It's extremely flexible, but also extremely durable at the same time. We use 304 stainless steel, which is a higher quality stainless than the typical 201 stainless used on the market, so it's more corrosion resistant and different. The hose is then chrome plated to give you that nice, bright, vibrant look. The fittings on the hose are made from solid brass, so they won't crack, split, and cause leaks. And you get 2 rubber washers to seal the ends of the hose during installation. Then we have the solid brass shower holder bracket, which is one of the most durable parts you'll find in the shower industry. Very, very high quality. So each part is made from solid brass, so it won't crack, split, and leak. The hook is brass, threads are brass. The bracket in the back is, or the fitting in the back is brass, and it's adjustable, so you can move it up, down, left, and right as you choose. And this ring right here, this round ring, allows you to adjust the tension in the adjustable pivoting ball. So if you unthread it, it'll become more loose. And the more you thread it, it'll become more tight, increasing the tension. And then we have our handheld shower head, which is really a beautiful shower head made from 304 stainless steel. So not plastic, not going to crack, split, and leak. It's one solid cast piece, so you can be confident it's going to last for many, many years. It delivers an exceptional flow due to the unique rubber nozzles that we use, which create a very thick and warming stream of water. They're also extremely easy to wipe away any mineral deposits that may clog the jets in time. And really one of the areas that cause so many problems for these handheld shower heads is the threaded piece at the bottom, which can crack. But since our product is made from stainless steel, it's gonna last the test of time and stand up to all that heavy duty wear and tear that takes place with a handheld shower. Here's our solid metal handheld shower head set in brushed nickel. So you have your easy to read instructions. Very straightforward. Your flexible metal shower hose, solid brass shower holder bracket, Teflon tape for a leak-free seal, and the solid metal handheld shower head. So starting with our shower hose, which is made from stainless steel and is 72 inches long to provide extra reach in the shower. Each hose is made from 304 stainless, which is a higher quality stainless than the standard 201 stainless steel. The hose is finished in our brushed nickel finish. So from the fittings to the actual hose, it all matches the other pieces of the shower head set. The fittings are made from solid brass, so they won't split, crack, and leak. And pre-installed are rubber washers in the fittings to provide an extra level of leak-free seal. Now we're looking at our solid brass shower holder bracket, which is extremely heavy duty. From the hook to the threaded fitting, it's solid brass, so it won't crack, break, and cause any leaks. The adjustable pivoting ball can move up, down, left, and right to find the perfect angle for your shower head. And there isn't tension ring here, so you can loosen up the tension of the adjustable pivoting ball, or you can increase the tension of the adjustable pivoting ball. And then of course the solid metal handheld shower head, which is made from the high quality 304 stainless steel and then finished with our brushed nickel finish to provide a nice modern look, but also an extra level of corrosion resistance. The shower head itself is single function, but delivers a remarkable flow, in part because of the unique rubber nozzles that we use, which creates a large, fulfilling stream of water. And the rubber nozzles are also great at helping to clean away any mineral buildup that may clog the nozzles. And the threaded fitting is also 304 stainless, so it won't crack and break like a lot of handheld shower heads do in time from the constant wear and tear of removing and putting back the shower head on the hook. Thank you for checking us out at HammerHead Showers, the leader in solid metal shower heads and accessories.